Hi, I am Vedant, and this is my submission for the Aurora's AI/ML engineer take-home assignment. So the task was to build a question answering system that can answer natural language questions about members' data. So let me show you what I built and why. So Aurora asked for a system that could answer questions like when is Laila planning for her trip, what are Amira's favorite restaurants, etc. So the requirement was simple: build an API that takes questions and returns an answer. But I went further and built a production ready agentic system that intelligently decides how to answer each questions. Okay, so first let me demonstrate a factual query. Let's say who is the most active user? Let's submit the query. Okay, very fast. So it's Lily, right? Alright, so notice how the system recognizes the needs of the precise data. So what it does is it routes this directly to the SQL, our SQL tool, using DuckDB, giving us the exact answer in somewhere around 14 milliseconds. So you can see the evidence here. Now let's go to the contextual query. Let's say what kind of flowers does Lily like? Let's see. So for this, the system uses a phase vector search to find semantically similar messages, and the evidence section shows it. This one that it found the actual messages where Lily mentioned her preferences for lilies and roses. Okay, let's do one more. Uh, what is Lily planning about the distilleries? Let's submit the query. So not only does it answer the question, but it proactively suggests a starting an itinerary. Into this proactive recommendation, it says, I see a message about a trip and distilleries. Would you like to start an itinerary? We can start it, definitely. Let's learn more about the system architecture. So this is my README. This is my GitHub where I have added my project. If we see, uh, most system use probably the vector search for everything, so which is low and implies for factual queries, or they use only SQL, which can't understand. I have mentioned all the three approaches, so that's why we are using a hybrid approach. My hybrid approach routes intelligently from SQL for facts in 14 millisecond, and Phase for context, and Gemini LLM for synthesis. So this is the same approach actually being used by Airbnb and Spotify at scale. Beyond the core requirements, I added a full validation suite with 100% accuracy and uh, addressing both bonus goals and data insights as well. And the system is fully deployed on Google Cloud Run currently, and all code documentation and live demo links are in the README. And thank you so much. I look forward to discussing it further.